Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the basics. Power off and set both AirPods Pro on a clean, flat surface so parts don't roll away. Once ready, hold the silicone ear tip at its base, do not pull the plastic stem, and pull straight away from the housing with steady pressure. This reduces tearing and avoids bending internal mounts. You'll feel a small click when the tip detaches. That's normal. Make sure to inspect the mount for debris before fitting the replacement tip. Now attach the replacement tip by matching size markings and aligning the inner plastic ring with the AirPod nozzle. Position the tip straight on the stem and press firmly until you hear or feel a click. This click indicates the locking mechanism engaged. Once attached, gently twist and pull to confirm it's secure. A proper seal prevents sound leakage and enables noise cancellation to work. If it feels loose, remove and reseat, ensuring the ring sits flush with the housing. Finish by doing a quick fit and noise cancellation test. Play familiar audio and toggle transparency or ANC to confirm a proper seal. If audio is muffled or ANC weak, remove the tip and reseat it or switch to a different size. Comfort and seal vary by ear shape. If a tip won't attach, inspect the mount for lint or debris and brush gently with a dry, soft brush, then try again. If problems persist, test with the other earbud to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.